In Excel, there are some text functions which are helpful for parsing out certain data, and they can be really good when you need to clean data or separate it so that you can use different parts of the data and sort the data in different ways. So here we have some product information, the manufacturer ID, the year it was made, and the description of the product. And we've created two different product numbers here which combined those pieces of information. So here we have the manufacturer, product ID, and the year. So what we want to do here in the left column is we want to pull out the manufacturer. So let's say all you had was this number, and you want to pull out the different pieces of that product number so that you have those separate and can sort them individually, for example. So let's say we don't have this individual information, we just have column K. So we want to pull out the manufacturer, which is the first two letters. So we're going to use the left function, and you can type that in. I'm going to pull up the dialog box so you can see. Here you're going to enter the cell which contains the text that you want to separate. So here we're going to use this product number. And how many characters do you want to parse from that? So we want 2 characters, which would be AC here, and that would be the manufacturer. And you can see there it's pulled the manufacturer from the full product number. Let's go to the right. We want to pull the year from that full product number. So since it's on the right side of the full product number, we're going to use the right function. And you could type that in, but again, I'm going to pull up that dialog box. So the text is what text do you want to use to pull that data, where you're going to use the full product number, and the number of characters. The year is 4 characters. So if you enter 4 there, you can see that it will give you the year. Okay, now let's look at the mid. We want to pull the product ID, the original product ID here from the middle. So the mid is the middle function, and we're going to pull out the 4 numbers in the middle. Okay, so here we have 3 items. We have the text, which again is the product number, where we want to pull that product ID from the middle. Now we have a start number, which is the 1 here. So your start number would be A is 1, C is 2, the dash is 3, and the 1 is 4. So it's the 4th character. So that's where we want to start pulling in those characters. So how many characters do we want? It's 1010, and the product ID is 4 characters. So we want to start at character number 4, which is the 1, and pull in the 4 numbers there. So that will give us 1010. So let's just say we wanted the dash that's before it. Then we would start at number 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to pull in the dash plus the 4 numbers. So the number of characters will be 5. And here you can see that gives you the dash or the negative sign there. Okay. So there are a lot of ways that you can use those functions to clean up your data as well.